हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू कश्मीरी तड़का ट्विस्ट। माय नेम इज़ हारिस और आज हम बना रहे हैं क्लासिक वनीला कपकेक्स with a homemade frosted icing. This is a very simple dessert. I'm sure everyone will love it and it's literally the easiest dessert to make. This dish is so easy to make. अगर मैं बना सकता हूँ तो आप भी बना सकते हैं. So without further ado, let's get started. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को प्लीज लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन भी दबाइए ताकि आपको सारे अपडेट्स आएंगे। तो आपको कपकेक बैटर बनाने के लिए लगेगा मेल्टेड बटर हाफ कप, मैदा 1 कप, आइसिंग शुगर 1 कप, मिल्क a third cup, 2 eggs, baking powder 1 tablespoon, baking soda half teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. तो पहले हम मैदा को छानेंगे और मैदा को छानते छानते हम डालेंगे बेकिंग पाउडर, बेकिंग सोडा और हमारा सॉल्ट। छानने से बैटर की कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ही स्मूथ रहेगी और केक का टेक्सचर बहुत ही अच्छा आएगा। अभी हम सारे वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स करेंगे। सबसे पहले हमने लिए हैं अंडे, 2 अंडे जो हम उनको फेंटेंगे। साथ ही साथ हम डालेंगे हाफ टी स्पून वनीला एसेंस। अब हम अंडों को बीट करेंगे for approximately 10 minutes जब तक उसका बैटर राइज हो जाएगा। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, the egg mixture has risen. अभी हम इसको ऐड करेंगे बटर। हमने बटर को ऐड करने से पहले हमने उसको मेल्ट किया है। अभी हम डालेंगे 1 cup of icing sugar. Now we are going to mix the batter again with our hand mixer, and again you could always beat with your hands. अभी हमने ये लिक्विड बैटर को अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स किया है। अभी हम ऐड करेंगे another half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So that means in total we have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. अभी हम आधा फ्लावर और आधा दूध ऐड करेंगे। बाकी का फ्लावर और दूध हम बाद में ऐड करेंगे। Now we're going to use the cut and fold method to mix all the ingredients together. अभी हम ऐड करेंगे the rest of the flour. Now we're also going to add the rest of the warm milk. Now we're going to use the same cut and fold method and mix the 2 ingredients together. जैसे आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, बैटर की कंसिस्टेंसी ऐसे ही रहनी चाहिए। तो चलिए हम ओवन को प्रीहीट करेंगे 350 डिग्रीज पे। अभी हमने यहाँ कपकेक ट्रे लिया है जिसमें हम सारे कपकेक मोल्ड्स डालेंगे। Now we are going to add our cupcake batter into each of those molds. Make sure you only fill it halfway through because it's going to rise up. Ideally, the cupcake batter should make around 12 cupcakes, but I am guilty of eating 1 entire cupcake mold worth of batter. That's why we're only able to make 11 for this video. We have to bake the cupcakes for 350 degrees for 20 minutes in the oven. जब तक कपकेक्स ओवन में बेक हो रहे हैं तब तक हम हमारा यमी फ्रॉस्टिंग बनाएंगे। आइसिंग बनाने के लिए हमने लिया है 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of icing sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. अभी हम सारा heavy cream डालेंगे एक bowl में. Then we are also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we are also going to mix the whole thing until the frosting is very stiff in texture. Ideally, you should mix it for around 5 minutes. That's when you could start expecting it to look a bit like what we have right now. Once it has the stiff texture we are looking for, you can stop mixing and add in the icing sugar. Now we mix the heavy cream frosting with the icing sugar. Now we're going to add 2 drops of food coloring. This is completely optional. If you don't want to do it, then you are welcome to skip it. Now keep on mixing until the whole thing is green, and then you are done the frosting. That was very easy. Now my mom is gonna add the frosting in a piping bag so we can decorate our beautifully well done cupcakes. So our frosting is ready. Now let's check on the cupcakes. Now that we can see, our cupcakes are ready. We use a toothpick to see if the cupcakes are well done. The toothpicks came out clean, that means it's very well done. Let me show you how nice and spongy this cupcake has become. Look at that! I'm squishing it! That means it's going to be very well done, as you can see. And now let's tear it open. Ooh, that looks awesome. That looks very well done. Thumbs up. Now let's decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it my best. You can judge me however you want. I'd say it came out pretty good for my first try. And now my mom's gonna do the rest. Look at how fluffy the frosting is. That looks like so nice. Now for the final touch, we're going to add, you guessed it, sprinkles. What are cupcake frostings without sprinkles? Like, I wouldn't want to eat a cupcake without sprinkles. See how simple these cupcakes were to make. And if you loved this recipe just like I did, please make sure to like the video and comment on our channel. And by the way, the subscribe button looks sus. I think you should vote him out by hitting it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from our channel, and bye!